Since the beginning of history, public architecture built by church and state institutions has served as a tool for shaping mass consciousness. With their large dimensions, layouts, and special materials, these buildings were intended to transport visitors from the everyday to a place of the sublime and awe. In ancient Egypt, the pharaohs, inspired by the linear flow of the Nile River, created temples with long physical journeys. Temple visitors moved through increasingly deep and mysterious spaces, creating an experience of approaching the sublime that could only be seen by the privileged. Modern Western architecture seeks to eliminate the impression of propaganda, reflecting the values of society and the capabilities of technology. This modern architecture focuses more on serving the community with friendly and democratic public buildings, without trying to change the mindset of visitors. In the context of private residential architecture, the experience of transforming consciousness is almost no longer considered important. Living rooms are often directly connected to the street, separated only by a door. The house discussed here aims to create an experience of transformation. From the opaque street facade with dark stone, visitors are led through a paved path that leads to the first inner courtyard, providing a gradual experience of entering the private space of the house. Walking along the path to the enclosed area is part of the process of separating oneself from the outside world. In front of the large transparent curtain wall, visitors can observe the inside of the house, providing an open experience for those invited to appreciate the beauty of the architecture. The opaque facade faces the street, as if holding a secret, but once past the wooden gazebo, the house's space is revealed as simple and open. The process of moving from darkness to light symbolizes the transition to the open private area of the house, with a minimalist and transparent geometric design. The additional inner courtyard, together with the glass fence around the swimming pool, creates a separate space that merges the visitor's experience into an intimate moment. This clearly defines the boundaries of the house as a private and immersive experience.